Majority of the songs in my collection are either about love or about mountains, because I love mountains. I love climbing mountains. I actually climbed some incredible mountains in Washington State and in BC in the last couple of weeks. So that's what keeps me going. That's what recharges me the most between concerts. And so the third category, it's not about love or about mountains, it's about love for mountains. So the next three or four songs are about love for mountains. First one is from Catalonia, large part of Spain, where Barcelona is, and as in a language called Catalan. That's spoken there. As it turns out, as I was doing some research, Catalan was the most spoken language in Spain until the 19th century, when one of the kings sort of forced the Castilian language onto Spain. So it's a very beautiful language. It's like a mix of medieval French and Portuguese and Spanish. So the song is called Montañas del Canigó. The beautiful mountains of Canigó. It's a mountain range in the eastern Pyrenees in northern Spain, southern Spain rather. Montañas del Canigó. So the narrator says, I will retire into the mountains of Canigó for 3 months. I will not see anyone except be serenaded by the beautiful song of the nightingale.
Montañas del Canigó, frescas son y regaladas, sobre todo al estío, a las aguas son geladas, a las aguas son geladas. 3 mesos me vais a estar, sense veure por sola nada, si un trist rossignolet, canascilla al riu cantava, canascilla al riu cantava. Cantava sul del sol, rosa fresca e regalada, Rossignol, Rossignol, Déu te dona una volada, Déu te dona una volada, Déu te dona una volada.